What is going on, traders? This is Top Sniper, aka Steven. Today is just a quick video. I'm gonna recap my trades today and my trading plan for tomorrow. So let's get right into it. So listen, yesterday's video, 443.16 to 442.37. I said is the best area for calls. We don't predict, we react. We only play what SPY tells us, and SPY told us to buy calls at 442.37. And guess what? That's exactly what happened, okay? This morning, I wasn't able to get in the calls. I did not need to get in the calls. It's because we got into puts at the high of the morning. We literally got puts close to 443.73, and we rode that down. I made my daily goal within 6 minutes today. I did not need or feel the need to be able to get in calls, but it was very obvious, guys. Look at the floor that SPY created. SPY created a floor around 442.74, and look what it did. It almost went up 3 points today, okay, from the very lows. Also, I want you guys to look at this, okay? This is what I was looking at all day. The previous floor, or the previous roof of Friday's trading day, right, was 444. We broke through it, we retested it, we tanked, okay? We came up, retested it, tanked. We came up, retested it, tanked, okay? When we blew through 444 today, we did not retest it on the 5-minute time frame. Literally, at the high of day, at almost 445, I alerted my Discord. The previous roof from Friday and pre-market today, 444, has not been retested. I think we will receive 444 again today at some point. Okay? And look what happened. Literally people are buying calls. People are getting bullish at 444.45. Everyone I know is buying calls. Okay? Why did I not buy calls? Because I know a key level, a key support, a key rejection area will be retested. If it is a big rejection spot, in one day, the next day, it is going to be retested. And we blew through it today, 444. Look what happened, guys. We gravitated all the way down. And guess where we bounced? At our area to buy calls, 443.16. Okay? So the key levels that were done in yesterday's video literally worked to the T today. Unfortunately, 442.37 happened in the pre-market. But that happens, okay? So what did we do? We bought the overreaction first thing in the morning. We bought puts in 10 minutes into the day, and we made our daily goal in 1 bar, okay? I didn't have to buy calls. I didn't have to trade through this BS. I made my money off of this move right here. If I did not catch this move, I would definitely be looking for calls because, as I said yesterday, this was a call area. If you go on the daily chart, we made these lines together on the YouTube video yesterday, okay? On my video yesterday, I stated that this area in between 443.16 and 442.37, this area was the big bounce area. Look what happened. As soon as it touched it, guys, look at the bounce it did. It did a crazy bounce, okay? Because we are not predicting anything. We are not playing shapes. We're not listening to indicators. We're buying where we're supposed to buy. All our trades are pre-planned, okay? Our trade is pre-planned. From last night, this was the trade to make, okay? I did not get that trade because I didn't need to hit that trade because I got puts in the morning. But if you saw that video last night and you would have bought puts in that zone, you would have banked today, okay? And I also alerted to the Discord literally at the highs of day. I was telling everyone that we are not done with 444 and we will retest it, okay? Because as you see, look at the pre-market, guys. 444 resistance. Look at this resistance, okay? Look at yesterday. Look at the resistance, okay? And I'm going to show you right now, okay? Everyone was bullish right here. You did not see a 5-minute candle make 444 support. We blew through it. That's why I was very confident that we were going to come back down and retest 444. Even better, look at this. I was even alerting people in my other Discord. Don't buy calls, guys, until 444. Look at the first reaction of 444. This move printed off the first touch of 444. Okay? We don't need to play in this nonsense area, guys. We buy key levels. You have your key levels pre-planned. 444.45 was on a mine, and 444.85. Okay? Look at every one. Rejected. Support, rejected. Support, rejected. Okay? This is why I only play key levels. And I don't get super bearish. I don't get super bullish. I just play my levels. Okay? It's very important you just play levels, guys. Take the hard part out of trading. Pre-plan your trades. Know where you're going to enter. Know where you're going to exit. Know where you're taking profit. And know where you're stopping out before you even buy in. All these trades, when you're getting into this, should be pre-planned. You should know every single position you are entering. You're going to know where you're taking profit and you're going to know where you're stopping out. Okay? People like to overcomplicate trading. People like to trade in between key levels. They like to play shapes and stuff. Guys, stop that shit. Play what SPY tells you. Put key levels on your chart like we have here. Every single one of my key levels are respected. Every single one of them. Okay? Even in the pre-market. And look at, guys, when this sold off today, look where it bounced. Right at our other key level where I said to buy calls. Okay? It literally bounced a 44 or 443.16. Okay? We're not here for any guessing games. Especially with people with small accounts and big accounts, or small accounts and cash accounts, you don't want to be guessing. You don't want to be doing YOLO trades. You want to have your day pre-planned. You literally want to buy at the best level possible no matter what. You don't want to follow anyone's trades. You want to do your own due diligence. You're going to want to set where you're going to buy, where you're going to add, where you're going to sell, where you're going to stop out before you even take the trade. Because when you're in that trade, the hard part's done. You know where to add, and you know where to stop out, and you know where to take profit. Okay? So today ended up being a picture-perfect day, guys, when it comes to key levels, okay? Like I said earlier, I caught puts in the morning. Me and my Discord and I, we caught puts in the morning. I didn't need for calls, but there was a bunch of people in the sniper trading that caught this, right? They all caught this move, and a lot of them even caught the puts without me even saying anything, okay? Because what I teach is to play key levels. So I don't even have to be in the chat. And these guys are killing it themselves. They're literally killing it themselves, guys. I don't even think we had anyone today that was red. Okay? Let's take a look at the polls. We had one person red. Okay? 62 people green, one person red. Kenny L, you're on blast today. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, these polls don't lie. None of these polls lie, guys. The reason why we're so green every day is because we're only playing key levels, right? We're not playing random shapes. We're not playing anything. We have over 400 people in this Discord, and we're just hitting key levels. It's not rocket science, okay? I have a grade 12 diploma. I used to wear steel-toe boots for $20 an hour, and now I don't. No one out here, I am not smarter than anyone watching this video. You can all obtain what I do. Anyone can do what I do, okay? It's having the self-discipline to wait for the best setup at the best price and hit it with size. Okay? You have to, especially when you're day trading, guys, you have to be able to look at floors and roofs. You have to see if there's any floors or roof developing on the 5-minute time frame. So as you see right here, okay, a lot of people were getting bearish here. This was a previous floor. Let's say the previous floor was 444.30. Okay? Everyone's getting bearish here. No, we're obviously going to do a quick little bounce. Okay? And then, when we broke down, we came back up, guys, and we retested the previous floor. And then look at the sell-off. People were buying calls here, guys. And I was telling everyone, do not buy calls. Do not buy calls. This is the worst area to buy calls at. Why? Because we had a previous floor, we broke under the floor, and we came back up and retested it. Floors and roofs. Do not sleep on them. You don't need indicators, guys. You need to be able to tell a floor and a roof. Okay? SPY makes floor and roofs like every single day. Multiple times a day. Okay? As long as you're able to acknowledge that, you guys are going to be fine. Especially if you're at a key level. Okay? The key levels respect. Look at every key level I have, guys. You're going to see a wick on every single key level I have. No matter what, every single key level gets respected. And guess what? When it doesn't get respected and it runs through it, guess what? It's coming back up to retest it. Or coming back down to retest it. Look at 444. Okay? But enough about today. today was a great day. I'm going to tell you my game plan for tomorrow, okay? So right now, we're going to look at the 30-minute time frame. Where are we on the 30-minute time frame? I like to use the higher time frames for, especially when you're going a day or 2 days or 3 days out, okay? So 444, you see the previous resistance here? It's still a resistance. So once we see a 30-minute candle at 444 with a wick as a support, that's when you're going to want to get bullish, because we're going to retest all these levels up here that we did not break, we did not retest. So for Friday, or for Tuesday, first key level, 444.45. Okay, 444.45. My next one is going to be 445.18. I'm going to make it bigger. 445.18. Heavy resistance. Okay? So 444.45, 445.18, and we're going to do 446. 446. Okay? Anything over that, if it continues ripping, I'm not playing that shit. I'm telling you guys what I plan to trade tomorrow morning, and this is exactly what I plan on trading. Okay? So if we gap up tomorrow, if we gap up over the high of yesterday, 445.18, anything like that, we're going to be looking for puts until 444.45. Okay? This is our key level. If we gap up above it, I'm looking for 444 puts to test as a support. If we gap down tomorrow, I'm going to be looking at puts at 444. 444 is the best level to be watching right now, because SPY is showing us that it's a heavy resistance area. Once we break under it, we come retest it. Once we break over it, we come back and retest it. We do not know what's going to happen right now. No one fucking knows. No one knows, okay? I don't care what video you watch, SPY right now, no one knows what's going to happen. We can have proper analysis of what we think could happen or what's going to happen. As of right now, the best level to be watching right now is 444. We're going to see if we break up or down, okay? Regardless, tomorrow, 442.37, I'm 100% hitting calls here, okay? I'm hitting calls, and especially 440 as soon as we crack under 442. Okay, I'm going to put a line right now at 442. Right here. Okay, I plan on playing this. This is my next zone if we gap down tomorrow. 442.37 to 442. I'm playing this zone for calls. Okay, and if we gap up, you guys already know. We're looking for previous close, 443.63. Okay, and I gave you the upper levels already, 444.45. 445.18 and 446. So that is my game plan for tomorrow. So if you guys would like to be a part of Sniper Trading course, please let me know. I have the link in this the description below. We do this shit every day, guys. Okay? These polls don't lie. Everyone lies. Numbers don't lie. We do this stuff for real. Okay? We play key levels, right? And we're scalping 10 to 20 cents. That's all we are doing. We are planning to take profits immediately. Once we're green, we take our profit. I don't care what happens for the rest of the day. I don't care what happens next week, next month. I'm playing for the now. I'm buying at the best level possible at my key level. I'm scaling in with size, and I'm selling immediately. I'm selling the move. I'm not letting the move try to go bigger. I'm not trying to guess tops. I'm not trying to guess bottoms. I'm selling the move. I don't need to hold. Okay? And I'm trying to teach you guys. I've been at the small accounts. I've been at the big accounts. What I teach in my Discord is how I became a successful day trader. I compound my small wins. I don't hold for big wins. I compound the small wins. I take profits very quickly. Okay? And today, within the first 10 minutes of market open, guys, I already hit my daily goal. These two candles right here, I hit my daily goal. I don't need to play this. I don't need to play this. Right? The whole point of being a day trader, guys, is to be able to work when you want, where you want, and never have a boss. Okay? So take full advantage of it. If you can make a trade in 5-10 minutes, take advantage of it. Why are you going to sit on the computer and risk your gains all day? I hit the trade. I'm at the cottage right now. I hit the trade first 15 minutes. I'm out. See you later. I don't care what happens. I don't need to make $1 million in one day. I'm very consistent. I have over 7 months of live trading on my YouTube channel right now, being consistent from March all the way till September. Okay? My small micro gains win in the macro. Okay? I don't have to make big money. I don't have to hit big plays because my small plays add up. Okay? And it's very, very rare to find anyone, a mentor, a day trader, anyone that is that consistent. Okay? Because greed gets to everyone. No matter what. What I've learned, in my opinion, and that has worked for me, is the small micro gains. That's what I do. Okay? And it works for me. It works for me year and year again. No matter what. I've been burnt. Okay? I've held big winners to losers. I've held same-day contracts high to zero and blown it up. And I'm never going to do that again. I'm learning to take profits very quickly because I can do that multiple times in one day. Okay? I take profits very quickly and I cut losses very quickly. I cut my losses extremely quickly. I don't have big losses, but also I don't have big gains. Okay? But my micro gains work in the macro. So next time you're trying to day trade, and to even add to your tool belt, is going to be able to take profits quickly, sell the move, don't get FOMO, and don't be scared to re-enter. You can hit one trade, take profit, and if it comes back to your level, you can hit it again. You don't need to hold. When I see green, I sell. I do not care. I sell when I see green. And I don't need to hold for these positions. I don't care if I have a starter position or full count. When I'm green, I'm green. I never let a green trade go red. I will not let a green trade go red. I'm programmed now, okay? And you all have to program your minds to never let a green trade go red. Greed kills people. I don't care if you make $10, $20, $60 on a trade and you have a small account. Guys, in 12 months, 24 months, those gains are going to be way more bigger, okay? Instead of making $60 a day, $30 a day on a trade, you're going to be making $200, $300, $400. Learn the right way from the start. Only buy in at key levels, okay? Only size in where you're supposed to size in at, and sell extremely quickly when a play goes against you. That is it. That is trading, guys. It's a self-discipline to be able to leave a trade green, and a self-discipline to be able to leave a trade red. Right? I said my TED Talks for the day. But thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate it. Link is in the bio if you want to join our family. And thank you guys so much for all your support. And I'll see you guys at Market Open tomorrow. Take care and God bless.